If the YouTube algorithm is not recommending your videos, like your videos are not being recommended, you keep posting videos and they're not getting views, no subscriber adding, and your watch hour is just being stalked, then you have to go ahead and do these things which I'm going to be sharing with you right now. I recently opened a YouTube channel last year, January, February. I think early February. This channel was literally nothing to write about. Like, this channel was just stuck at 50 views, 10 views, and in 2 months I was stuck with less than 10 subscribers. And this channel is not channel, but this particular channel. But the minute I decided to start doing some things on this channel, today you can see the interface of this channel, and as of when filming this video, we are currently on over 900 subscribers on this particular channel. Just 2 months of not even really posting consistently, but at least dropping video, not like the way I am being consistent on this my channel. So right now, I am going to be telling you what you need to do in order for your YouTube videos to be recommended, because this my channel, my videos are being recommended back to back. Yes, I know that a lot of things contributes, which is being able to understand the kind of videos that your audience will want to watch. Yes, that's one alone. You need to try your best to learn how to do that. So right now, the number one thing, if this particular thing is not properly fixed or done properly on your channel, you're going to be missing out on views and missing out on YouTube recommending your content. And that one thing is being able to let the YouTube algorithm know what your channel is all about. Like, guys, if you miss this particular thing, then it's going to affect you on a long run. And one of the most important way to actually let the YouTube algorithm know what your YouTube channel is all about is, number one, apart from your channel name, your channel description, and also properly setting your channel customization page. Apart from that one of the most important thing you have to pay attention to is your channel keywords. If your channel keyword is not properly optimized, or let's assume you just go to your channel keyword and you bombard it, because I was doing a channel review for a particular two students at once, and I discovered that in their keywords they are placing irrelevant thing. Imagine owning a cooking channel and in your channel keyword you're putting very dark man, you're putting Nigeria, you're putting EFCC, you're putting celebrities name. For what exactly? Like, what kind of audience are you trying to bring? Now you are not only confusing the YouTube algorithm, but you are also confusing your video views itself, because how will YouTube be able to like understand what your channel now is all about? So you have to pay attention to your channel keywords. And if you don't know how to generate your channel keyword, it's very simple, it's very easy. Go over to ChatGPT, whatever your channel is all about, tell ChatGPT to help you. In fact, put the help. Hi ChatGPT, please help me to generate a channel keyword for my channel on for my new channel on, just put what channel is all about. Now once you've been able to achieve your channel keywords, there are also other basic important settings there, which is setting your category right, and then doing every other simple setting. You know, the most important setting, once you go to your YouTube Studio desktop version, just make sure they are all properly put in place. Now once you're done with that, another thing, most important thing you need to pay attention to is, you see, tags. As a small channel now, if you have big channel, you have over 100,000 subscribers, you have over 200k subscribers, you might not really want to like pay attention to this tag, because I've seen a lot of big channels and they'll be like, tags don't really matter. Bro, if you're just starting up your YouTube channel today or tomorrow, like, you still have lesser audience, like less than 500, 1000, 5k subscribers, you have to learn how to make use of tags. Tags will help your video to be discovered by more people. Before now, you should be able to understand that YouTube and Google, they work together. Sometimes when you go to Google to type for something, Google will bring out videos directly from YouTube and show you. This is to tell you that YouTube and Google works hand to hand. And one of the things that actually helps your video to come out on Google search is what we call optimization. And you know, for you to optimize your video, optimizing your video is actually my third point. Now, optimizing your video, you have to optimize your title, abi. You have to optimize your thumbnail. You have to optimize your description. After that, your tags and hashtag comes in. Now, let's go back to my second point, which is tags. Now, on YouTube, we have three different type of tags. We have normal YouTube tags, which is your video tags. We have hashtag, and we have your keyword tags. The keyword tags was my first point, which I talked about. So have you seen that it's actually very, very important for you to set up your general channel keyword tags. Now, once you're done with that, the next thing is hashtag. That is the one that have the hash at the back. These are some examples, and these hashtags, you're meant to put them in your video description. Yes, you have to put this hashtag in your video description. And when putting this hashtag, don't let it be too much. At least 6, 7 hashtag is very, very okay. And make sure that these hashtag are in line with the video that you are creating. Let's assume that you did a video on how to make akara or how to make moi moi. Let your hashtag be things like how to make the best moi moi recipe. Like, let every single thing you are fixing, let it be corresponding with the video title itself. Now, once you're done with fixing the right hashtag, another thing you need to pay attention to is the video tags itself. And unlike the hashtag which comes with that hash at the back, your video tags come naturally. Once you put it, you put comma. Just like example, let's still make reference to the how to make mama or how to prepare moi moi. How to prepare the best moi moi, you put it comma before you go ahead and put the other ones. Now, unlike your hashtag that is best to use like 6 or 7, for your tags, if you like, use up to 10, use up to 15. But when using them, make sure they are in line with what your video is all about. Yes, I know that sometimes I get excuses from some students. They'll be like, ma, when you use all those trending hashtag and trending tags, your videos will go viral. The video might actually go viral, bring in the wrong audience to your channel. Now, when you go ahead and post the next video, you realize that you'll be getting lesser engagement. That is why no matter what you are doing, use the right hashtag, use the right tags. Stop confusing yourself, stop confusing your viewers, and stop confusing the algorithm itself, okay? If I catch anybody using that kind of hashtag again, and you come to me for channel review, so make sure you don't do that, okay? It's really, really going to affect your video views. Don't let us fight. So from today henceforth, learn how to use the proper tags and the proper hashtag. These are what I'm using for this my channel. Day to day, I keep getting comments. Princess, how are you growing this channel? What and what are you doing? These are the basic things for YouTube recommendation. There are still other things which I will still talk about, and maybe that should be a part 2 of this video. But if you're able to get all these small small ones that I'm showing you now, if you're able to get it right, then there is no how your channel will peak, that the channel will start getting views. Okay, now once you're done with that tag aspect, learn how to optimize your video. I think I've briefly explained that. Now, after your video optimization, if you're out there, you don't know how to optimize your video, come and sign up for classes and learn. But maybe if you can't afford that, then just drop it in the comment section. I will be sharing to you a video, or go and watch these videos. I took my time to explain how to properly optimize your video. There's no how you will watch it and you will not understand. Just try your best and grab it, so that if somebody go to YouTube search bar to search for something that is on your channel, YouTube will not recommend your video. This is what this video optimization simply means, and that is what has helped me a lot on my channel, and also helped me on this my new channel. So if you're able to do these basic things, then there is no how your video is supposed to be recommended. And that thing is being able to deliver content that your audience are interested in. Just like as I said earlier on, this one is this particular thing, you have to take your time, you have to calm down and understand it, because you might now make use of the right tag. Okay, princess, here we should stop using all this very dark man them hashtag, and use them hashtag relating to the video, but still I'm not getting views, or but still my videos are not being recommended. Now calm down and look at the kind of content you're presenting. If you just open a new channel and the channel is all about hair, Before you start to post, go and watch channels that do about hair. Try to check out their popular videos that maybe announce the channel. Try to compare it close to like 5 different channels. There's no how you will see 1 or 2 similar videos. What do you have to do? Go ahead, pick that video up and work on it. Try to recreate them. Since that is what that your channel is all about, recreate them. There's a particular lady, I just came across her channel, and that channel was created like 10 days ago. She's in YouTube growth niche. But do you know that the 4 videos this lady has posted back to back, they are having over 10,000 views? Why? Is because she know what is currently trending in our niche. She know what people are constantly searching for here on YouTube. And what did she do? She went ahead to, she was literally monetized under 7 or even 8 days. Yes, she was monetized. Why? Is because she actually understood her left and right. Like she literally knew what's up. Because before that her channel, she have other bigger channels with like over 500k subs. So she herself understand how YouTube works. But maybe you now that have not even gotten to that level, or us that have not gotten to that level, these are the small little basic things that you need to put in place in order for you to start getting that views, for you to start getting that recommendations. Okay, once you've been able to understand what your audience wants, or let's say you just open the channel and you don't even know who your audience are, try to watch channels that are doing what you are doing. Try your best to always invest your time. As I am now, I don't sleep at night though. I don't sleep at night. Every minute I am browsing. I am searching. I have main channel which you all are watching me from. I also have lifestyle channel, and I just created a new faceless channel. So have you seen that the hustle is real? Back to back, I am always making my research. Despite the fact that I have students that I train, I also take my time. I make a lot of research. So if you're watching me out there, one of the secrets to my beautiful 2 channels today is being able to make research, being able to like understand that okay, this is a lifestyle channel and this kind of videos are to do well. Okay, this is my YouTube growth channel and this kind of videos are to do well. Okay, the new faceless channel that I just created, these are the kind of video that channel has been created already, but I'm still taking my time to process the kind of videos that are going to do well on that particular channel. So have you seen that? Trying to understand what works, trying to understand your main core audience for that channel is very important. You will just open the channel and you start posting and you will see people watching it and engaging with the video. So just do your best to make sure you understand this particular thing. Now, another example that I'll give is there's this particular channel, a new student of mine that actually sent me email for channel review. And the channel is strictly about finance, real estate investments. So being able to understand what people want in that niche, he was able to like understand it and went ahead to search out for like close to 4 to 5 different channels that talked about this particular topic, and he went ahead to recreate that same video. Not really what the people say, but using the same title, trying to like pick out the right hashtag, the right tags. That was how he was able to create this viral video, and this video alone has given him over, I think, over 1,000 watch hours, close to 2,000 watch hours. So have you seen that being able to like know what's up, what is going on in your niche is very important. This channel is less than 15 days. Yes, this channel is still a brand new channel, and I was really marveled that he was able. He told me, Princess, I watched your video a lot, especially on the videos you talked about how to be able to like recreate some videos that are performing well on some related niche. That was how I was able to come out with this video title, video description, video thumbnail, and that was how I was able to make that video, and the video really performed so well. I was surprised. So have you seen that I don't just come up here to teach because maybe I want to teach. I literally show you things that are working. If you're able to do it the right way, there's no how it will work out for you. Or maybe you say, okay, Princess, I did it once and it did not work. Do you know how many times this particular thing I've done it and they didn't really perform well? That doesn't mean that the next one or the second or the fourth one will not perform or will not do well. So for YouTube to recommend your video now, it's in your hand. Yes, so it's no longer in YouTube hand because there's nothing you will do to YouTube. You can't bribe the YouTube algorithm. You cannot pay YouTube. So you just have to start the work, okay? Start the work, and I wish you all good luck. So I think this video is way too long than I had wanted it to be. So guys, I'm going to be stopping now, and I'll meet you guys in the comment section. Make sure you start doing all these things the right way for your video to get recommended, and your videos will surely get recommended in Jesus' name. Amen. As long as you're able to do the right things, okay? So guys, we'll be stopping here for now. And if you watch to this extent, you're not yet subscribe to my channel, you're not yet a member of my family, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, like this video if you've not yet liked it, drop me your comments, and do not forget to share this good news so that it can get to a lot of people. And always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.